In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn any website into a mobile app shortcut. First, you have to use a browser. So select any browser and then open it. Now, once you're inside that browser, you just need to find this site that you want to turn into a mobile app shortcut. For example, is facebook.com, twitter.com, tigma.com, or messenger.com. Once you're inside that site, you just need to tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of your screen and then click the Add to Home screen. Now this will show this dialog box where you just need to click the install. And you just need to wait for it to generate the mobile app shortcut in your home screen. So let's head back to our home screen and wait for the Facebook logo to appear here. And as you can see, this is the Facebook logo or the Facebook mobile app shortcut that we want to be generated. And that's it. That's how you can turn any website into a mobile app shortcut, and thank you for listening.